welcome back to my channel. So I'm inside of Publix because I need to get some chicken to make dinner. Sunday I had made a amazing stewed chicken. It was so good. I received so many DMs online requesting and asking for did I have a YouTube video for it and stuff like that. I unfortunately didn't record a YouTube video for it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it now. I need to get some green beans, and we eat green beans a lot. Micah absolutely loves green beans. They are cheap, they are green, and they taste good. So I'll get a bag. And then they're actually on sale, 2 for $4 right now. So then that's a good deal too. So I just got the regular Publix brand. You just wash them before you use them. I'll go to the meat department, and what I do is get a whole chicken and then have them cut it for me. So I'll show you. So what I do is get a whole chicken, and then I'll let the meat department cut it for me how I like it cut. So I grabbed my green beans, I grabbed some sparkling water, and the last thing I need is some cornbread for the dinner, and that'll be it. So the bread that I do is this honey cornbread here. I add brown sugar to mine, and then I add extra honey and butter on top of it when it comes out of the oven. Delicious.
Let me know if that's exactly how you wanted it.
Absolutely perfect. It's fantastic. Thank you.
You are.
So what I was gonna say was, he was walking up to me when I was gonna record me picking up the meat. I just walk around for maybe 5 or 10 minutes to gather everything else that I need. Oh, I needed a whole yellow onion too. So let me grab that real fast. And they cut everything and pack it up, and I'll still clean it and stuff like that when I get home. I just needed one small yellow onion to go in this, and then I cut the entire onion. So good. Okay, YouTube, I'm actually home now. I've pretty much done all my prepping. You guys have seen me cook rice before. You've seen me cook beans before. What I really wanted this video to be was the chicken. I wanted to show you guys how I prepared it. So I have the chicken here with me now. So here I have all the seasonings that I'm gonna use. Tony Thatcher, I have bouillon, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika pepper, and then I also have the browning. And then this is the chicken. I did bring it home and I cut it up a little bit more to my liking. So what I'm gonna do is season the chicken, and I'll be right back. So now that I have my chicken seasoned, I'm gonna add the browning. And then I'm gonna add the vegetables that I have. The vegetables that I have are these potatoes. I have some bell pepper, and then I have a yellow sweet onion, 1 whole onion. Let me add the browning, and I'll be right back. So now I have added the browning, the vegetables. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a pan. I have some oil here, some avocado oil, and it's hot. We're gonna add the chicken in. I don't want any, baby. Stop. One moment, please. So now that I've gotten all the chicken and the vegetables in the pan, what I'm gonna do is add 1.5 cups of water and then cover it and let it cook for 25 minutes. Okay, so it's been 25 minutes. I'm gonna remove the lid and then stir the pot first, and then I'm gonna make a slurry to thicken up the sauce. It smells so good. And you see why we only put 1/2 cup of water in here? Chicken, of course, makes its own water. Everyone should know that. It's only been 25 minutes that all of this has been going. But what I need to do is thicken up the actual water and make it into the stew, like the actual chicken base. And the key to it is cornstarch. Give me a few more seconds to stir this, and then we'll make the cornstarch slurry. And it smells so good, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is make a cornstarch slurry. It has no GMO. I use cornstarch because it doesn't give you the floury taste. It doesn't give you the clumps like the flour does. So what I'm gonna do is do 2 tablespoons, but then I'm also gonna do like 1/2 tablespoon just so it could be a little bit more thicker. Chicken smells so good. The potatoes are good. So now what we're gonna do is cover this back and cook it for 20 more minutes, and then it's gonna be done. Okay. It's been 25 more minutes. 20 more minutes. The chicken is done. Just gonna stir it up a bit. And as you can see, some of it has like fell off the bone. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. I'm gonna plate a plate, and then that is it. That is stewed chicken. And then I have potatoes in it, but you can put in whatever you would like. The last time I made it, I had put carrots. Thanks for watching, guys.